A Marshall County man who confessed to the shooting and killing of a man whose body was found dumped onto the Whitesburg Bridge last month is scheduled to appear in court tomorrow. Daniel Shelton, pictured here, will have his preliminary hearing tomorrow morning. He confessed to shooting and killing a young man named David Merritt back in May. Now, according to court documents, the two lived together in a home in Marshall County. Since October of last year, law enforcement responded to numerous domestic violence calls to that home. Testimony revealed that at least a dozen times Merritt, Shelton, or both called the Arab Police Department. On May 30th, Merritt was found wrapped in a bloodied blanket on the Whitesburg Bridge by a driver passing by. So here's what we know so far about the murder and what led up to it. But we do warn you, some of what you're about to hear is graphic. Court documents filed on June 13th show that Shelton confessed to an altercation between him and Merritt. In that altercation, Shelton says Merritt threw a lamp at him. Once Merritt turned his back to Shelton, Shelton says he grabbed Merritt's .22 rifle from under Merritt's bed and shot Merritt in the back of his head. Shelton further told police that he dumped Merritt's body on the Whitesburg Bridge. On May 30th, a driver found Merritt's body. He was wrapped in a quilt blanket, his head covered in a garbage bag. Law enforcement later executed a search warrant of Shelton's home in Marshall County. Court documents show law enforcement found blood in the back bedroom, a bloody cell phone charging cord, and a broken lamp. In the kitchen, garbage bags were found that had the same serial number as the one found on Merritt's body. Shelton was later found by an off-duty officer during a traffic stop and taken into custody. What we still don't know is how Shelton and Merritt knew each other. Shelton is currently held at the Marshall County Jail. His preliminary hearing is set for 9 a.m. tomorrow.